పెద్దలు గౌరవ మంత్రి పొన్న లక్ష్మయ్య గారు, పద్మభూషణ్ డాక్టర్ కె చిరంజీవి గారు, పద్మశ్రీ మాధవి ముద్గల్ గారు, రంజిత్ గారు, సీత గారు, ప్రేక్షక మహాశైలకు నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్సుమాంజలు. Sri Panna Lakshmaya Garu has dedicated himself to Janagam. Although he had an opportunity to settle in the United States with the associated lifestyle, he finished his masters in the US and returned here with several ideas to. He has been successful in this objective, poetry and diary. When we went to invite him, spontaneous wit, and he made us laugh the half an hour I spent with him. I thank you, Panna Garu, for making it convenient. చిరంజీవి గారి గురించి ఏం చెప్పాలో తెలియట్లేదు, మాటలు రావట్లేదు. Literally I'm tongue-tied when I see him. వారిని చూడంగానే ఈరోజు ఎందుకో మా చిరంజీవి గారు అనాలనిపించింది. వారి అద్భుత నటన కౌశల్యంతో తరతరాల వారి హృదయాల్లో చిరస్థాయిగా ఒక స్థానాన్ని సంపాదించిన మహానటుడు, మెగాస్టార్ మన చిరంజీవి గారు. సో అది ఒక మాట నేను ఆయన్ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను, మీరు తప్పకుండా రావాలి. అండ్ ఆయన ఎన్ని పనులున్నా వచ్చారు. అండ్ ఇంతసేపు కూర్చొని మా ప్రోగ్రామ్ని చూసారంటే ఆయన మన కూచిపూడి నాట్యాన్ని ఎంత అభిమానిస్తున్నారో దానికి నిదర్శనం అని నేను ఈరోజు చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాను. పూజ నిజంగా అదృష్టవంతురాలు. ఇంతమంది పెద్దలు వచ్చి ఆమెని ఆశీర్వదించడం నిజంగా అమ్మాయి పూర్వజన్మ అని నేను భావిస్తున్నాను. శ్రీమతి మాధవి ముద్గల్ గారు, షీఈస్ అ బ్రిలియంట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్. Whether it is her guru Kelucharan Mahapatra, the late Sri Kelucharan Mahamatra, or Madhavi ji, when they dance, we don't see them on the stage. We see only the exquisite grace of the Odissi dance form and the involved, subtle and internalized abhinaya. Didi, you have really made my day. I'm really touched by your presence, and I don't have words to thank you. When I called her, she spontaneously agreed to come, so it means a lot to me. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the parents of Pooja, Dr. Ranjit Garu and Srimati Sita Garu, for initiating their daughter into learning this art form. Believe me, ladies and gentlemen, it is not easy to be able to learn this art form and be persistent and continuously practice, because we work long hours, unearthly hours, and they were always there for their child and providing logistical support day in and day out. I really would like to compliment them on this. And another thing I would like to share is actually Sita also started learning along with Pooja for a short while, and I think she thought I was too much of a taskmaster, so she thought she will fulfill her dream through her daughter. Pooja, of course, is a wonderful child and is very dedicated and focused, and you must have seen through her dance, and her dance speaks, because she has spent long hours with me and worked very hard. And what is commendable about this child is she's excelling in studies also. She's a topper and gets very, very high marks, and literally is a rank student, and she just finished her 12th with flying colors, and now she's got admission into BITS and JNTU, and she has the option to choose between the two, and I hope whatever she chooses, she'll be able to continue this wonderful dance form. And what can I say about my father, Sri V.R. Reddy Garu? I owe what I am to my parents who initiated me into this wonderful art form. I am today very overwhelmed with the presence of so many dancers, senior dancers. The Doyen of Kuchipudi is here, Shobha Naidu. She's my big inspiration. Shobha, thank you so much. Then we have Ananda Shankar, who is a brilliant exponent. Then we have the wonderful Abhinaya expert, of course, Alekya Garu. Then Bhagwatala Sethuram Garu, Vanaja. Then we have Arushi, a budding dancer. Then Padmajan, so many others. And of course, we have the living legend sitting here, Sri Jagdish Mittalji, who is, we are very fortunate to have a person like him in our state, I must say. He is a great soul. And there are so many others, and if I miss out on somebody, Mr. and Mrs. Surendra Reddy, Sri Shyam Prasad Reddy, so many others. Sorry if I am missing out on anybody. All your presence means a lot to me to make this day a very memorable day for my students. Thank you so much.